The first settlers arrived in the area that would become Excel around 1875. They were drawn to the region's fertile agricultural land, which was ideal for farming and timber production. Naming and incorporation. The town was named Excel due to the excellent quality of the land and its promising potential. It officially incorporated in February 1948, solidifying its status as a recognized community. Railroad connection and economic growth. Around the turn of the 20th century, a significant development occurred when Excel was connected to the railroad. This connection opened up new opportunities for economic growth, allowing the town to ship lumber and agricultural products to wider markets. Notable resident. One of Excel's most famous residents is Lee Roy Jordan, a former linebacker for the University of Alabama and the Dallas Cowboys. His football career brought national attention to the small town. Excel High School. Excel High School serves the educational needs of children in and around the town. It has played a crucial role in shaping the community's future generations. Community life. Excel is a close-knit community that values its history and traditions. The town hosts various local events and gatherings, fostering a strong sense of belonging among its residents. Challenges and future. Like many small towns in rural America, Excel has faced challenges such as population decline and economic shifts. However, the community remains resilient and continues to adapt to changing times. In conclusion, Excel, Alabama, is a town with a rich history rooted in agriculture and its connection to the railroad. Its small-town charm and strong community spirit continue to define its character. As Excel moves forward, it embraces its past while looking towards a promising future.